What is up guys, Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete beginner's tutorial on Gelato print on demand, how it works, how to set it up, and how do you can start selling custom products worldwide. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce and print on demand tutorials. So let's get started. So first, what is Gelato? Gelato is a print on demand platform that helps you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and more without holding inventory. When a customer buys from your store, Gelato prints a product and ships it directly to them. And as you can see here, it also integrates easily with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more. So let's get started. So first, on the right side, you need to click on sign up for free if you are new here. And after that, you just need to sign up with your email, password, and the credentials to create your new Gelato account. And as you can see, after signing up, I have been redirected or welcomed to the homepage of Gelato. So I'll give you a quick overview of how Gelato works. So first, you create a product design. Second, upload your design to Gelato. Third, sync it with your store. And fourth, Gelato automatically processes the order, prints it at the nearest facility to your customer, and ships it. So let's get started. So first, on the left side, you can see so many tabs. So if you want to see your product catalog, you can just simply click on product catalog and then view your product catalog, like whatever products that you have uploaded. And as you can see, here are the other product catalogs like women's clothing, kids and baby clothing, men's clothing, tote bags, cards, calendars, wall arts. Whatever you want to see, here are all the categories of product catalogs. When you click here on orders, here you will see all your orders that you have given or that are being sent to your store. And when you click on stores, you can connect your Shopify and Etsy to your Gelato. And you can also connect Amazon, Squarespace, BigCommerce, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, Manual, and Wix. And when you click on Show More, here are the multiple integrations that you can connect to Gelato. And when you click on Personalization Studio, from here, you can personalize everything according to your wish and requirements and according to the design of your products. And when you click on Templates, you can create a template of your product that you are selling. And when you click on branded packaging, you can configure the type of packaging and the branded label, the packaging insert, whatever you want to insert, you can do it from here. And when you click on projects, you can also see or create your new branding projects. And when you click on analytics, here you can see all the reports that how much sales have you done, and according to your sales, how much revenue or profit you have earned. You can see this all here. And when you click on price navigator, and under this, when you click on products, here you will see all your price navigators and the products that you have uploaded all listed. And when you click on Mockup Studio, here you can create your own mockup template. And then when you click on Developer, here you can integrate your own API keys by just clicking on API keys. And you can add your own API documentation when you click on API documentation, or you can just read this when you have some free time and then you want to go deep into this API section. And when you click on webhooks, here you can add your own webhook. And when you click on order audit logs, here you can see all your audit logs of your orders. And if you want to get some help from Gelato or you are facing some problem, you can click on customer support and then get help from a Gelato expert. And when you click on resource center here in the new tab, the Gelato resource center will open wherein you can read all these articles and blogs. And after that, on the right side at the top, you can see the create product button. Click on this. And then if you want to create a single product, you can click on single product from catalog. And then if you want to upload multiple products, you can click on multiple products to upload your design to multiple products. Let's say I want to create a single product, so I'll click on single product. And after that, I'll click on create a template. And after clicking on creating a template, I need to select the category. And in this category, let's say I want to go with the clothing, I need to select the type of printing like the DTF or DTG or embroidery. Let's say I want DTF, and after that, as you can see, here are the certain amount of products that I can choose from. Let's say I like this one. I'll click on this, and after that, this will open the dashboard of that particular product, and after that, it will also open the editor of this product. So as you can see, the product has been uploaded or previewed here, and in this product I will just insert some files if I want to, and you can also design this product according to your vision requirement. And when you click on templates here, you can insert your own templates, and when you click on text, you can add text to your uh, product here at the center or at the back, whatever you want. And as you can see, I have entered the text, and after that, when you click on graphics, you can see all the graphics, and you can just simply drag and drop it here, whatever graphics you would like. Let's say I like this umbrella. You first need to purchase these graphics, and when you hover to them, it will show you which graphics is free and which are paid. As you can see, this one is free. I'll just drag and drop it here in my t-shirt or hoodie, that's whatever you'd say. And as you can see, the graphic has been uploaded. And when I click on layers, I can add or delete the layers. Like as you can see, the text layer, let's say I want to delete this text, I'll click on remove. And then as you can see, the text has been removed. And when I click on personalize, I can just personalize with some other layers in one layer. And when I click on collections here, you can create your own collection by just clicking on create collection. And when I click on Shutterstock, here is the Shutterstock, like the essentials that you need in your design. And when you click on shapes, here are the shapes that you can insert in your design. As you can see, I have added this shape, so I can just make it small or larger, or I can just insert it like this way. I can rotate it 360 degrees, and I can just set it like this in the center, and it's done. And this is how you can create your own product. And when you are done, you can preview your design, or you can just simply click on save design when you are done. As you can see, the design has been saved in templates, and this is how you can use Gelato. And this was a tutorial for absolute beginners. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.